a little bit, but start going. Stay right there. Stay right there. Go, 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 go. You're digging, dude.
Try and back up. Back up a little.
Just a little
bump
bit.
it.
Just a little bit. More, more. All right, all right.
Now give it some gas forward. Bump it some. Well, you got it harder next time. Back up again.
I was gonna make this turn though. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Should have gone far out probably.
You probably turn right, at least pull up there. And then just back down.
Is my bumper okay still?
Yeah, you're good.
It came off a little bit, but we can put it back in. I got the little thing that fell
Yeah,
off.
just give it a good bit of gas. Just don't hit a tree. Not full throttle. There you go. Oh, don't let off. If you don't let off, you got it.
Okay, I just don't want to hit that
Yeah.
tree right in front of me.
That's good.
Once you get past this, hey, do you want to put a log down there or something to like keep them from spinning
Send
out?
it.
Ready? Keep left, keep left. Oh, stop. Hunter, push. He's out of it. He's out? He's past the rut already. Okay.
Let's see. Try go forward and give it just a little gas and turn it side to side.
I was afraid to like hit this though.
That's what I'm saying. I don't want to hit it.